This is the £1,200 VW Beetle that we bought when we were searching for the ugliest car in the UK.
No, what is that? Come on. So Jack and I are going to get £400 cash each to buy our mods, and then we'll bring it back here to try and make this thing look cool. We're here at This Is Your Garage. Jack, do you want to go first?
Okay, well I had a little bit of help with mine. I got Edwin involved. Oh, who remembers this car? This was the car that got away.
It's mine now. What makes a car cool?
Motorsport.
Correct. What's the best type of motorsport?
Rally.
Tour de France.
So, you have a set of Speedline 2113s.
Oh,
now,
they're nice.
These were off an actual Subaru rally car.
A real live one.
Actually been doing jumps and skids and things. So that's already street cred.
That's points.
And you can tell that by the STI dust caps. Those are worth money alone.
That's worth whatever these cost.
So you know how usually you're supposed to spend like most of the money on the suspension and then like a little bit on wheels?
Yeah.
I did the opposite of that. These were £550. But they came with spacers. When you think of suspension, what brands are you thinking? Intrax, some like Nitrons, HKS or Öhlins. These are one step above.
Oh, nothing says quality ride quite like a set of max speeding rods.
Max speeding rods.
Are they good?
Very. How much do you think per coilover these cost?
150
These were 138
Jesus.
for all of them.
for all of them.
That's really good price.
That's like £35.
That's decent.
Suspension is arguably one of the most important
Really
things.
one of
you
them.
should
And
really-
tyres,
Yeah.
which is why we've got budgets.
So we're doing this wrong.
I now wanted to show Jack my choice of mods, but as he and Edwin had eaten well into my half of the £800, things weren't much better.
Just see what I've got.
Do a hand.
Yeah, seeing as you didn't give me any money, and you went for performance, I went for aesthetic.
That's troubling.
Anyone recognise this?
Yeah, I know exactly what this is.
That's Rover. So that's free. That's tape.
I'm intrigued to see what you're going to do with that.
Sandwich bags.
Oh, that's an interesting shout from you.
Do you know why?
Why?
I watched Ford versus Ferrari, and all the fast cars in that had yellow headlights.
Boomerang.
Boomerang. Should we go play? This front lip just hangs down like that.
I don't think it does.
Oh, like a moustache. But would you like to know the piece of resistance? What's the best car film ever?
Oh, okay, Drive.
No.
Too Fast, Too Furious.
Correct. Why? Neons.
Good shout.
Neons.
Yes.
These were the cheapest neons on Amazon, so they could be awful.
They're made in China. What are you talking about? They'd be great.
Yeah, it'd be good. Should we get it all on there?
Yeah, it's fry it all on. I want to see what you're going to do with this because I've got no idea.
I'm also interested.
Mods shown off and our budget empty, we got to work on the Beetle, starting with something we wanted to do since day one.
Loud. Jack, can you come help me take this wing off to get this eyelid off? I think it's going underneath the wing. Cheers. Cool, next job.
Use your hand.
I am using my hands. This one's wedged in at the back.
You've got to take the wing off for this one, have you? Little souvenir.
You're going to wrap this
Yeah,
and these?
yeah,
For a
and
full
these.
motorsport? No, those are your indicators. You can't wrap those.
I wonder what I'm gonna break today. You're on.
Okay.
No, you've slipped. You've slipped out. You slipped out again.
Sound like my head.
Yeah. Okay. Did we get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mechanic.
All by myself.
Well.
With disassembly going well, it was time for Ethan to start on his first job, but the instructions weren't all that helpful.
Which type of the film you have?
Yellow.
Spray the water mixture onto the adhesive side of the film.
What water mixture?
And surrounding the area.
What? I was just gonna stick this on. Why is this so complicated? Okay, so what? I need a spray bottle. Oh. Does it work? Look at that. Just watering the headlight. That is not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad.
With Ethan having finished his first mod to a Car Throttle standard, Edwin and I moved on to installing the suspension.
Hello.
Wow.
Hello. Max speeding rods focus on performance and the sticker's not aligned properly.
Do you want to put rears on first because they're going to be
It'll be
easy?
easier,
It'll
yeah.
be easy. This thing's going to be max speeding rod in no time. Max peding. So we're doing some peds.
Rear springs and dampers fitted, Ethan refitted the Beetle's wing with nowhere near enough double-sided tape.
Would you believe it? We've got a slight issue with the max peding rods, which is like really unusual because they're top notch and we paid a lot of money for them. Basically, this one, that moves freely, this bottom collar, and it winds all the way down. But on this one, there's a little like tiny blob of weld, which I'm guessing they must have missed in the factory. And their quality control needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna knock that off and then we should be all good to go.
I hate these. Even the cameraman's backing away.
Yeah, watch your fucking eyes, man.
It's good. This is gonna be very anticlimactic.
Quite a good climax. That's what she said. Look at that little nugget that's messing our day up.
Look at that little bastard.
With Edwin and Jack busy on the suspension, I used our leftover wrap to make the front end pop a little more, which went well.
Are you done?
Yeah.
I want to ask you a serious question. Are you pleased with this? You're going to be doing this again.
While I focused on fixing my awful wrap job, Jack and Edwin took over the underglow install.
They've got 3M tape on it, but I think it's a zip ties and drilling into the sills job.
Yeah, that sounds much more
I think we do it properly. Let's do this properly and drill into the sills.
How much were these?
These were £39.
Wow, that is way more than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be like 14 quid.
No, there's real plastic used in this.
We don't want to just have it crammed in the doors, so let's send it up and try and get it through the firewall. Oh, there's so much just plastic and carpet.
Is there lots of interior in there?
Yeah, someone's put a fucking interior in this car. You know what we could do, because this is bullshit, I don't want to deal with this. Get rid of the tow bar and then we'll plumb this into it as well.
It's not just a pretty face, it's ugly.
A decision we'd soon regret, as none of the bolts holding the bumper on wanted to come off.
The thing you got to remember about cars is someone put it together, so you know, you've got to be able to get it apart. Fucking thing.
As you're unable to get it on there. Will, behind the camera, who doesn't know much about cars, said, is there a chance that the tow bar's just bolted on straight underneath? And we both went, Will, come on, let the mechanics do this. And we've checked and yeah, there are just bolts that hold it on. We don't need to take the bumper off at all.
So let's put all the bolts back in that we just took out for no reason. Get a Beetle. If I just look at this long enough, maybe we'll just fall out. Maybe tow bars are cool, man. Don't cram my phone in that filthy bumper.
It's alright, it's an Android. Oh, piss off.
Is that a cup of tea?
What's wrong?
What do you mean what's wrong? Just why don't you stick to your painting or whatever you're doing out there?
Why haven't you got that off yet? It's only a bumper.
I'd love for you to do it.
There's a bolt here with your name on it, Ethan.
Yes.
I love drum and bass.
I feel like we're in the production of Stomp.
Oh, here we go.
Oh! Is that close to my face?
Yeah.
Jack, are we going to find the actual connector and then take that off at the connector?
I'll trace it, but trace it
We're
back.
going to trace it back?
Trace it back and then just make sure that you cut it.
So,
make sure that...
So like that?
Yeah, that works also, I guess.
Well, let's just go into the cigarette lighter.
Okay.
Pretty broken anyway. So let me cut these connectors.
No, don't cut it, I'll de-pin it. It's much nicer to de-pin them.
With Edwin having completely ignored my request to de-pin the connector, we went outside to see if Ethan was now officially a dab hand with a rattle can.
A lesson from this, if you're thinking about wrapping something, don't.
Just go to Halfords, get some paint and slap it on. Any idiot can do it.
Look at this!
That's wicked.
I mean, they aren't even neons, we're just getting excited over LEDs. Where's the one that was voice activated? No. Speaking? No. Talking? No. Look at that go!
She's mint, lad.
The packets are mint, lad.
Would you look at that? That's so much better than what you've done.
That's good.
I'm actually quite happy with that.
So now you have to drill into it though,
Why?
because you've got to put the front lip on.
No, but I've just done that.
You might chip up the paint, but don't worry.
I'm not worried. So So Seat Cupra R front lip, sort of like a go-to, isn't it, Edwin? It's sort of like a universal, throw it on, cut it down to size, it's gonna look good.
Installing the front lip should have been easy, but I made the grave mistake of choosing Ethan to help me.
I think we go there.
Yeah,
Heath, my good man.
That will do. I've dropped it.
Ethan, I'm gonna scream in a minute.
Send it.
Thank God for that. Jesus Christ.
Perfect.
No.
Perfect.
Stop saying that.
Who took the jam out of your donut?
You took the jam out of my donut. Yeah.
Jack and Ethan, you ready for neons?
Disco party.
It's in party mode.
Front lip installed and neons active. It was time to finish the car off with its new set of wheels.
How good does that look?
It looks great.
Right, let's
More.
do the rest.
Do you know what a stupid moron that I've just been? I shouldn't be allowed around anything or outside. What an absolute clown. Where's my wig and my red nose?
Forgot to put the spacer on. Bring it down, Edwin. That's the wrong way, pal.
The front's good.
The back's a bit high.
I like a bit of functional rear.
Yeah, I don't mind a little bit of rake.
But yeah,
You like a bit of functional rear,
well, that's
Ethan?
what we were going for.
Yeah. Oh, she's stiff. All right, that's good.
See it full effect now.
That's pretty cool.
This is tasteful though, I think.
Right, let's tighten some things up. Let's get outside and we'll have a look at it properly. Yeah,
Let's get some rollers with this bad boy.
Right, so we're back where we started and everything has changed. I think we've done all right. It definitely looks different, and considering that we only had £800, which in the grand scheme of things, considering we had to get wheels and suspension, it's not a lot of money, but I think we've done it justice. And I think this does prove a point. I don't think you need £2.5 grand wheels to make a car cool. Well, cooler, we'll say cooler. But let's start off with what we've done. So, right, headlights. I got mad Ronald McDonald vibes on this when you suggested this.
Yeah, do you like it?
Now, I do like it. I hate to say it, I think you painting this and putting this on has made the biggest difference.
Oh, really? I was going to say the wheels.
Edwin did a great job of picking these wheels, yeah. Another clap for him, yeah. I think that was just right. I wasn't sure about the gunmetal grey, but I think for some reason it strangely works. You can see the underglow, right?
It is on, the neon
It is on, it is there. I don't think that is cool, but
Okay.
it is ironically cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's good. It finally got its wang.
Yep.
May have to readdress this.
Okay, careful. But the fact is, when it is on, it does look better.
Other thing as well.
Careful, there's a tow bar there. No, there isn't.
I think that's a massive improvement.
Yeah.
And then suspension as well. This is actually probably a little bit higher than I think we'd like. For now, for like a quick job, it's good. I mean, this car is on max speeding rods. We need to remember that. So it looks great when it's sat still, but I'm sure that driving it is going to be an absolute nightmare. Are you going to come with?
Nah, watch it.
I need you to adjust my neons on the app. So
On the fly.
You've got to come with me to co-pilot,
okay.
all right?
We won't be able to see the neons.
Oh no.
First outing in the new Beetle.
And what's happened before our even first outing, Ethan? Do you want to explain? In fact, no. Show them, please. What's that?
Spoiler.
She corners like a dream.
Oh! It looks cooler. Is it driving cooler?
No, it's fine. I will say this, max speeding rods for that little gap in the market where someone that just needs lows, they just gotta have them, but they don't have the budget to go and buy something that's actually good, then I think it's brilliant.
Joe, I think if it wasn't going to be a cost and a massive ball ache, I would change the silver.
Before, I really didn't like the red and the silver, but now that we've done even a couple of little bits to it, I feel like it's leaning into it more. It all looks like the whole thing's been done on purpose.
Yeah, everything looks a bit more considered.
Well, it looks a little bit more like... What was that?
The window may have just dropped down.
There's a joke that Volkswagen Audi guys put wheels and lows on a car and call it a build, but that has also made a huge difference to this car. If you do your homework and you do your math, especially getting Edwin involved with this, because he knows what he's talking about, but I think that, I think the choice of wheels that he's gone for are really good.
If it's stuff that makes you happy, then do it. Like, it might not be everyone's taste, but who cares? Like, just do whatever you like.
I think we've made this cooler, so by your logic, I shouldn't really care what you think.
But tell us.
But
Anyway.
do tell us, yeah, but do tell us. No, obviously we'd love to hear what you think of it, whether we've done bad or good.
If you enjoyed this video, you can watch more videos here. And you can subscribe down here. We'll see you later.